Sis Rizabel. 4 doble. Meron pa nito. Sis Evelyn. May available pa nito. Sana yun? Bigyan kita isa. Ito mi. Dalawa na lang to. Ayan. Sis Evelyn. Check natin kung meron pa sis Ana. Code ako dyan harap. XL. Cotton fabric to. Cotton fabric code double. Ay, double. Code harap. Code harap. Front ba sabi ko? Iba harap. Screenshot lang sis Evelyn. Thank you. Ninyo minors, sis Gretchen Balite. Pasend details ha. Name, address, contact number, deposit. Omi, apple green. Apple green, cotton fabric. Me, pasend po details ha. Name, address, contact number, and then deposit po. Na 200,000. Ami, small, medium. Code ako dyan, apple. Apple ang code. Code, apple. Code, apple. Ay, ang ganda nito. Mi, yung color niya, pa-acid. Pa-acid wash yung color, ha? Color pink na may pagka parang tie-dye. Code, apple. Okay, next. Mi, follow. Tapos may embroidered siya. Medium. Cotton stretchy. Code light pink. Ay, okay. Old na ba, Sis Gretchen? Sige, check ko. Sis Gretchen. Pa-deposit muna ako, love, ha? Sis Gretchen. Code ako dito ng light pink. Sis Gretchen, pa-deposit muna ako. Lock apple, Sis Ana. Sis Ana, yours for apple. Screenshot me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Light pink, Sis Rizabel. Uy, ang bilis ng internet ni Sis Rizabel. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. Okay, next. Oh, love. Ganda, oh. Challis cotton fabric. Challis cotton fabric. Omi. Large. Medium to large. Code ako dyan ng makulay. Makulay ang code. Makulay, makulay. Omi, large. Makulay, medium to large, Challis cotton fabric, ha? Wali kay makulay. Next tayo, love. Omi, color beige and black to. Yung sleeves niya, mi, very minimal lang. Ayan, oh. Okay, this one. XL, large XL. Code black beige. Makulay, Sis Amanda. Sis Amanda for makulay. Ay, lalak ni Sis Essie na. much. Hi, love. Screenshot me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. Okay, code black page. Black page ang code. Large to XL. Omi, cotton, large XL. May parang may wawash na kaya, no? Large to XL, cotton fabric. Mi, this is okay, ha? Na-steam lang po to. Hindi to na ano, ha? Hindi to na laban. Okay, Mi, color pink cotton. Ganda. May pakulubot chuchu ka dyan, no? O, code ako dito, love. Kulubot. Kulubot ang code. Kulubot, kulubot. Code kulubot. Size large. Omi, another Challis fabric. Oo, love. Sis Essing na. Omi, another cotton Challis fabric. Omi. Oh, love. Sizes medium to large. Code for this one. Code Fresco. Fresco ang code. Omi, Challis ha. Si Snoopy. Snoopy, love. Okay, next. Walay kay Fresco. Medium to large. Okay, next. Omi, large XL. Code Snoopy. Code Snoopy. Omi, Challis fabric, tapos ganyan details. Rose. Cotton, my love. Cotton. Maxi, ha. Cotton. Wala nakalagay na size. Code Old Rose. Walay kay Old Rose. May slit to. Added na si Old Rose, ha. XL size. Omi. Wala, pop-up pa to. Bongga. Ay, may botones siya sa gilid kung gusto nyong parang adjustan niya. Kung di nyo bet me, pwede nyo tanggalin, ha. Nakatanggal. Ayan, o. Sige, ayaw lumusot sa kuko ko. O, basta natatanggal siya. Medium, semi-large. Code, black stripes. Black stripes, black stripes. Ana Francisco for Old Rose. Black Old Rose. Yours na, love, for Old Rose. Screenshot me. One, two, three, 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. Black stripes, medium, semi-large. Cotton yan, stretchable. Code, pink stripes. O yan kuya to. May melody. Cotton fabric. Cotton fabric. May melody. May melody, may melody. Yung iba nito, minay ng mga junakis. O, love. Medium to semi-large. Med to semi-large. Code, cute. Cute ang code. Black stripes, Sis Evelyn. Sis Evelyn for black stripes. Yours na, love. Screenshot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. Wait lang. Ay. Okay, next. Uy, super ano nito, super light nude ng kulay. Ami, Challis cotton fabric. Chelly's cotton fabric, tas pa-eyelet yung nasa may ano niya. Cuello. Medium, semi-large to. Cute for Sis Rizabel. Sis Rizabel, yours for cute ha. Omi, semi-large to large. Code ako dyan ng strawberry. Strawberry, semi-large to large. Yours for cute. Screenshot me. 123, 123. Thank you. Code strawberry. Strawberry, strawberry. Omi, Maxi, small size med. Small, medium. Small size to medium. Love, this one is cotton fabric. Walay kay strawberry. Omi, small med to ha, cotton. Baliktad ulit. Small, medium. Code black, white. Black, white ang code. Omi, t-shirt dress. T-shirt dress may bulsa ha. Cotton fabric. Ni yung may red sa braso, please. Yung may red sa braso. Alin, ito? Strawberry. Wala kay black, white. Small, medium lang to ha. Sarap suotin ng mga ganyan. Pag-teens. Yours loves is Amanda for strawberry. Ami, large. Large size, code blue stripes. Blue stripes ang code. Code blue stripes. Black, black, white sis Rizabel. Yours love. Screenshot. Code blue stripes ha. 123, 123. Thank you. Strawberry, sis Amanda. Sis Amanda, yours. Wait. Ang haba ng tape. Amanda, yours for blue stripes. Ay, blue stripes tuloy. First strawberry. Sorry. 123, 123. Thank you. Blue stripes is Anna. This Anna, yours yan. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Screenshot me. Thank you. Okay, next. Omi. T-shirt dress. Cotton. Parang color orange pa po. Omi. Code for this one, medium to semi-large. Code bilog. Bilog ang code. Code bilog. Medium semi-large. Code bilog. Bilog, bilog. Ang cute padded. Ni si Winnie the Pooh. Si Winnie the Pooh. Cotton to ha. Omi. Winnie the Pooh. Padded na. Okay, this one. Medium to semi-large carry. Code. Code Pooh. Pooh ang code. Code kay Pooh. Sis Rizabel for bilog. Second minor. Sis Abby. chutney.